Tools you will need for rescreening: flathead screwdriver, scissors, utility knife, and a Jantek rescreening toolkit. Discard old or ripped screen. Apply new screen mesh over the frame with a 2-inch overhang around the entire frame. Take new spline and apply to one corner of the screen. Take the roller in one hand and the spline in the other and begin firmly rolling spline into track. Repeat process on each side until all sides are complete. When you complete the rescreening, cut off all excess mesh from the exterior spline track. Be sure to be careful and cut slowly, not to cut yourself or spline when using utility knife.